Hello, welcome back. My name is Shreyash along with my teammates Veda and Kritika. Today we will be giving you our progress for Wanderlust. So we have created this website last time and we have shown you how the assistant button will let you go to our chatbot where you can directly chat with our travel assistant. Next, we will talk about how people can directly plan their trips through Google API integration that we have done in this progress. So I will open my app.py file and run it. So this will work in our local host. So once we go there, we will be presented with our website that we have created. And once we are here, we have multiple options that we have tailored for the user that they can travel their next trip. So let's say, for example, person clicks to Solvang, then he will be presented to enter their starting locations. Let's say I'll put my home address and then if I press enter, will redirect me to the Google Maps, showing me how long it is, how many miles, what time it will require, and he can directly plan his trip right away through the Google API. So one great thing to uh, notice is to ask is that why we are doing this. What's the use of Google API integration in our chatbot?
So the main use case of integrating this feature to our chatbot is that as we are planning to implement the Autogen capabilities to our chatbot, and once the user enters the preferences, so our chatbot plans the itinerary and the history is saved in the website. And also based on the history, like our chatbot can actually collect the theme or like the most recently visited places, the common theme from them. And because of these themes and all, we'll be able to generate much more better recommendations to the user that which can be displayed on the different tiles of the website. And also once the history is remembered by the chatbot, as we are trying to implement the autogen capabilities in the future, so the different agents can talk to it regarding the theme and will be able to suggest much more better recommendations and itinerary once the user enters or prompts and suggests the better destinations to the user according to what's happening to the season or like according to the user preferences, as we'll be having the history that we have and also using the autogen capabilities, we'll be able to give the better user experience and recommendations. So the code for this is we've added a special function in the website code where we've integrated class to this. So we've added get directions functions, and from this, it Flask acts as a server to get the directions from the Google Maps. And the entire thing is we can add a traditional recommendation system algorithm to this website HTML code for better user preferences, leveraging the Autogen capabilities. And we are using Flash to integrate the website to the Google Maps. So what happens first? What happens here? The user, whichever destination that he wants to go, he clicks on the website, and a prompt is generated where the user provides his home location. And once these two information is received, that's the destination and the user's location, get directions function is being called. And then we're also printing the location so that you can cross check again. Then using the Google API key, we open the Google Maps to check where to find out an optimal route between the destination and the user's home location. And we have kept the mode to be as driving, and the fastest route is being displayed on the Google Maps. Also, the travel time required to travel and the distance is also printed so that he can find out by when will he reach the destination. And accordingly, he can plan his itinerary. I mean, he can alter his itinerary.
So, so this was the progress of what we have done in the last week. So if I would summarize, we would basically use our assistant to get the travel itinerary for the user, and then we will use our discover page on the website, which will help them see the exact location, where it is, and how do you reach there, and at what time, like on the go on the website itself. So by this, he can plan his travel more efficiently. And then, as Veda said, we are planning to implement Autogen capabilities and recommend new places to the user based on its history. So as of now, we have implemented a little bit of Autogen. We are testing it still. So the Autogen will help us to plan our itinerary based on multiple agents that we will be creating. So for example, in this terminal, I have created three different agents. One is traveler, one is destination advisor, one is travel storyteller, and one is travel expert. So if you would see, the conversation will be happening in between the agents itself. User just have to put once, for example, user will put, I'm planning a trip to California during this December. What are some must visit places, local experiences, and any traveler stories about them? And then the destination advisor will give him a basic idea, since we have asked it for a trip of California. The destination advisor will say Los Angeles, San Francisco, Napa Valley, Yosemite, and all. And then the storyteller will talk to chat manager, and the storyteller will share one of his experience, saying one of the most memorable personal experience was something. And then the travel expert, the traveler will chat with travel expert to say, could you recommend a 7-day itinerary covering the major attractions? So all of these questions are a conversation between agent itself. User has just put one single line of question. And then travel expert will give an itinerary of day one, day two, day three. And then, yes, so to end this, we have not yet implemented what to expect and then to add to the website, but that's what our next plan will be. So that's it from us. Thank you so much.